Did you know that it's possible to actually start to manifest and attract money while you sleep? And no, this isn't some fake video for views. This truly actually works, and I'm even gonna give you the science behind it, okay? If you're new to my channel, I approach manifestation from a very different approach from most. I like to look at it from a brain-based, science-based perspective, and let me tell you, that right there is what really gets amazing results. I've been getting a lot of comments lately calling me the Elle Woods of manifesting, so I'm gonna go with it. I get it a lot, so why not? But if you are new here, I'm Mary Kate, and I'm a mindset coach and manifesting expert focused on getting you transformational results. My whole channel is all about manifesting the law of attraction with meditations and more, where I share the tools you need to get the results you want. I post brand new videos every single Wednesday, so be sure to subscribe and also hit that bell notification so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. And really quickly, before we get into the video, go ahead and hit that little thumbs up button down below if you are ready to learn how to manifest money while you sleep. This is going to blow your mind. So let's get into what you're going to do and how this all works. And don't worry, the best part is that this is actually really easy. Whether you realize it or not, one of the best times for actually manifesting anything is right before you fall asleep and actually during sleep. And this is for a few different reasons. During sleep, your frontal cortex starts to reduce its activity, meaning your conscious decision-making mind is really less active, which then allows your subconscious mind to really get to work to process things without as much interference from your conscious mind. Are you still with me? And then your amygdala actually starts to process emotions and oftentimes starts to turn those emotions into dreams. And also, during sleep is where new neural pathways form and become strengthened and reinforced. And whatever you're focused on prior to sleep, your brain continues to focus actively on it while you sleep. So you are going to use all of these things that your brain is already doing to your advantage. So instead of dreaming of that purple elephant chasing you, you can actually give your brain something far more desirable to focus on and in turn give you results of. I actually had a dream last week where I was playing fetch with a bear that just wouldn't leave me alone. I was running away from the bear and it kept following me with this ball it wanted me to throw. I fell asleep watching TV, so I blame that. But your brain is far more powerful when it comes to manifestation than people actually talk about. And if you can really learn how to rewire your beliefs and the neural pathways that have already been formed, you can change your whole life. It is so unbelievably powerful, which is why I talk about it all the time. So in order to start manifesting money while you sleep, all you have to do is this one thing right before you fall asleep. And this is something that I've actually been teaching for a while now, and it's using something in your brain called the reticular activating system. And you're gonna use this to actually manifest what you want. I have tons of videos on the reticular activating system and how it affects manifestation. So for the sake of time, I'm just gonna link those down below if you wanna watch them after this video. But essentially, whatever you feed to your reticular activating system, it's going to show you evidence of. Its whole job is to pull your focus towards whatever you're feeding it and whatever you're focusing on. So this technique that you're gonna do before bed is actually going to prime your brain to start giving you evidence of money. And you're gonna do that through this exact process. All it requires is simply priming your brain right before sleep. But before you do this process, the most important thing that you have to note is that you have to do this in a completely neutral way. Meaning you can't be wanting or needing or feeling desperate or anything like that about money while you're doing this. That's going to mess up this process because you're going to start attaching these unnecessary meanings to money when essentially you want to be neutral around it. If you were trying to manifest a cup of water, you'd probably be pretty chill, right? So be in that same chill energy. Be neutral and do not overthink this. Do not overthink this. I know it's sometimes easy to get caught up in it. Just be chill about it. Do it from a neutral place. Do it almost like an experiment that you already knew the results of and you're just confirming what you already knew. Does that make sense? So here is exactly what you're going to do. And as always, I'm going to give you two different options so that you can find what feels best for you. Option one is going to be to say this phrase to yourself either out loud or in your mind about 3 to 5 times right before you drift off to sleep. This is what you're going to repeat 3 to 5 times. I always see evidence of money flowing to me in such fun and unexpected ways. I am a magnet for money. So you're gonna say that 3 to 5 times right before you go to sleep in a really neutral, relaxed way. So again, what you're gonna say is, I always see evidence of money flowing to me in such fun and unexpected ways. I am a magnet for money. Don't forget to say this from a neutral place, or you can even say it in a tone that I like to refer to as obvious certainty, where it feels so obvious that, of course, that's just how it is. Sort of if I were to ask you if the sky was blue, you'd probably look at me like, yes, duh, what are you talking about? So same feeling, same idea. That right there is obvious certainty. So you can say it with that neutral tone or with obvious certainty. Those are your options. I always see evidence of money flowing to me in such fun and unexpected ways. I am a magnet for money. 3 to 5 times right before you fall asleep. And then when you wake up, I want you to be expectant of and notice all the money that shows up the next day. This is key. Start to actively seek evidence of what you primed your mind with and watch what happens. I always see evidence of money flowing to me in such fun and unexpected ways. I am a magnet for money. Now let me share option 2. Option 2 is great if you're someone who's a multitasker. And you can even combine this with option 1 if you want to. You can use both together or you can use them separately. I just wanted to give you different options. I love combining the two because if you're someone who likes to read before bed, or if you're someone who has like a skincare routine like me, or if you have any kind of rituals that you do before bed, option 2 is a great thing to do while you're doing your bedtime routine. And option 2 is to listen to the Wealth Subliminal. I'm going to go ahead and link it up here, and I'll also link it down below for you. If you haven't tried this one out yet, it's amazing. But subliminals are amazing because you simply just put them on and you go about your routine. And they work by actually bypassing your conscious mind, since you can barely hear the affirmations and you really aren't focused on them. And instead, they go straight into your subconscious mind. So while you're getting ready for bed, or while you're cleaning up the kitchen after dinner, or while you're reading before bed, or doing your skincare, or brushing your teeth, or doing all of the things you already do before bed, just throw on a pair of headphones and listen to it. And it should really feel like you aren't doing anything at all. It should feel completely effortless. So if you're combining the two, you would go ahead and listen to the subliminal. And then after that, you would just do the repetition 3 to 5 times saying, I always see evidence of money flowing to me in such fun and unexpected ways. I am a magnet for money. Say it 3 to 5 times right before you fall asleep and let your brain handle the rest. Your brain is always working on something, so why not give it something to work on that you want to experience more of? I am all about efficiency, so this is a really fun way to do it. And after doing either or both of these options, you will start to notice evidence of money showing up in your day-to-day life. And the more often you do this, the more you'll continue to experience it. It's almost like a muscle where it gets stronger the more you do it and the more you practice. Your brain will actually start to form new neural pathways. So just make sure as you go about your day, expect to see money flow in. Don't ever be in that forcing, desperate, wanting, needing energy, because that is going to prevent it from showing up, because that actually quite literally blocks it when you do that. So instead, be in the expectancy of it. Feel at ease about it and be relaxed around it. Be in that same kind of chill energy. And if you're having trouble getting into this energy and releasing that like want, need type of feeling, or if you find yourself still getting frustrated around money, please do yourself a favor and download the money workbook that I'm going to link down below. It is completely free, but it will clear your money blocks so quickly and effectively. I mean, tens of thousands of people have used this workbook with some powerful, transformational, incredible results. Like I said, it's totally free, so grab your copy so you can clear those blocks once and for all and start manifesting money from a place of ease. I'm telling you, you will start manifesting money so much easier after going through this workbook. It clears years of outdated programming that have been keeping you stuck repeating the same patterns over and over again around money. So again, that's going to be linked down below for you as a free resource. And if you have made it this far into the video, go ahead and leave me your favorite emoji. And please, please comment below and come back and share your results after trying this out. I truly am invested in and I love hearing your results, which is why I make these videos in the first place. So please come back and share what comes up for you and what happens. And I'm also going to link down below the Money Series playlist where you can binge on through all of my free money trainings, my meditations, subliminals, everything. That's going to be linked down below. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. You can also find me over on Instagram and TikTok and Threads at MK Magic Mindset. And if you want to learn more about me, my programs, how to work with me, and more, you can visit my website at mkmagicmindset.com, and I will see you in the next one.